हेलो मैं ऐसे सुन रामकृष्ण नेक्स्ट लेवल पढ़ा था. So one person told that basically is a little bit tricky basically, because human souls basically is going to have this 15 lakh liter oil basically. In advance basically the human soul's data is processed basically. So one person told that still now basically the thing basically has not done basically. Then how that is possible basically? Then one person told that basically the Reliance group is telling that basically we have prepared the 1 lakh doctors basically, and they have given the certificate to the father mother also basically, who is going to purchase this doctor basically. So one person told that yes, they are basically in advance basically, not Reliance group basically. The set of other groups are also basically in advance. They have also done the process of like this basically. So here one person asked the question basically. That means basically the human soul's concept basically which is created, that is created by Earth planet group basically, who is controlling the Earth planet group basically. So one person told that yes basically, that possibilities are there basically. Mostly basically that possibilities are there. So this concept basically is of Earth planet basically. So one person told that yes basically, like this basically the things are moving towards Earth planet creation. So now basically one person told that human souls basically is going to have this 50 lakh liter oil basically. They are not consumed basically, they are not used. Process basically is ongoing. So like this basically the scene basically is there. So here basically Bollywood groups comes into the picture. Because whenever scene comes into the picture, it's Bollywood, because Sunil Arnair visited 5 times Mumbai basically. So that was scene basically, which was created by Bollywood group only basically. So now basically the scene is 5 lakh building, 15 lakh liter basically oil, which is going to produce. But here basically the human souls data basically, they have done entire preparation basically in advance basically. So in next video see.